Today we are in the luxurious neighborhood of Flying Horse.
My name's Amanda.
And I'm Christine Callender.
And we're going to give you a little taste of what these two subsections, Sonoma and Siena, are like in this luxurious community here in Flying Horse.
Before we go on a tour of one of the properties, we want to share with you a little bit about the community. So the HOA is just a little under $2,500 quarterly to live in the neighborhood. What does the HOA include?
The HOA includes common utilities, covenant enforcement, insurance, lawn, maintenance of the grounds, maintenance of the structures, management, snow removal, and trash removal.
That's a lot. The community features include a clubhouse, a community center. However, there is more, it's centered around the golf course. However, there is more cost involved if you want to be a member of the golf club. And there's several different levels of membership, which we'll have a link down below for you to look at.
The community features also include dining, a fitness center, a golf course, hiking and biking trails, hotel and resorts, lakes and ponds like the one that we're standing at now,
Beautiful pond.
open spaces, playground areas, pools, shops, spa, and tennis.
This neighborhood is not a gated community.
And the average sold price is just under $950,000.
The average square footage is about 3,400 square feet.
The home types here are a mixture of patio and single-family homes, which include attached and unattached.
And they have 2 to 3 car garages.
So without further ado, we're going to take you on an exclusive tour of what one of these homes looks like in this community.
Come along with us.
Thanks for watching the video. I specifically chose the video below for you because it builds on the one you just watched. I hope it's helpful, and I'll talk to you soon.